Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, that is part of unit 2. Okay. So in this chapter number 5, we are going to discuss about cyber safety. Yesterday we have discussed what is cyber safety. Okay. Cyber safety is a technological word. When we are working online, so how we save our data, how much information we have to share. Okay. So these things we have studied yesterday. Clear? Now, few tips to stay safe on social media that we have discussed. First one is use a strong password when you are logging on Facebook, okay, any social media website that you are using. It may be Twitter, Facebook. Okay, second term is use a different password for each social media. Same password you don't use. Password protect your devices if social media apps, okay. So different password you have to use. Clear? Be selective with friend requests. Only selected persons. Friends request you have to accept. Not all requests you have to accept. Okay? It may be fraud. Fifth point is be careful. Okay? Be careful while sharing something. Sharing something means like you want to send any email, any file in the form of your data, like your name, contact number, address. Okay, so this is very important information regarding a person. It may be a student or teacher. Understand what I'm telling you? So be careful while sharing something. Now, next term is become familiar with the privacy policy. So what is privacy policy? Look on the screen. Privacy policy is a statement or a legal document that states how a company or website collects. Means few protocols are there, rules are there that is set by the group of members of a company. They handles and processes data of its customers and visitors. If you are purchasing online on Flipkart, for example, so what data you want to share to them? You have to share your name, address, father's name, contact number, address, as well as email ID also. So if they have to misuse these data, they have to supply these data to others or other groups. For example, China is recording or saving our data, Indian data, in the form of when we are purchasing MI mobile, for example. So easily they have to identify the details of Indians, or they have made a database. That database they will be sell to the army of China or any other terrorist group. Because today GPS system is there in mobile phone. Through GPS system, they have to identify through that global positioning system device where the person is going and moving or switching from one place to another place. So you have to share the data that you have to, or to whom only you known persons. Okay, so become familiar with the privacy policy of the social media sites. So you have to familiar to whom you want to share your data. Okay, each and every website has their own privacy policy. According to that, they have to share the data. Okay, without permission they don't share, or illegally they have to share. Okay, install antivirus in your system. Log off when you done your work. Okay, when you shopping, you have completed your shopping online, so you have to log off. And in last, not the least, create a smaller social network, not the bigger one. Don't make more than one group or two group, you can say. So small group will be helpful. So that topic we have discussed yesterday. Now we are going to discuss here cyber trolls or cyber. Okay, trolling means what? Trolling is an internet slang, or you can say fraud, or you can say a person who intentionally starts arguments or upsets others by teasing him or her, by giving on sending messages, by using vulgar messages, for example, posting inflammatory remarks. The sole purpose of trolling is angering people. Okay, so you have to entertain, to argument, to upset victim, to get attention. So that is the main purpose of trolling person. So don't troll to others. Understand what I'm telling you? So these keywords you have to note down in your notebook that I have already told you. What is the meaning of bullying? All you know, bullying is a part of trolling, that is called seek to harm. Okay, you have to, the person who seek to harm to any other person, it may be a student, it may be a person. Okay, so saying and or doing mean things to the person online. So the things that have been informed by messaging, by calling. So that comes into trolling. Clear? So it is very harmful, or it is an harmful act. Okay, through using the internet, ICT devices or mobile phones. So what is the purpose of that? To get revenge. Revenge matlab badla lena. To harass and threat to humiliate. Okay, so these things are the part of cyber safety, or you can say trolling or bullying. Understand? So the message that you have to send, the language will be easy. You have to write in a manner language. Okay, next and important is cyber stalking. Cyber stalking is a part of, third part of cyber safety, that is doing research on every one aspect of the person's life. Doing research of every aspect of the person's life. For example, the Department of Police, they have to capture a terrorist group, or you can say criminal. Okay, so what they do, they have to research about the information from he or she belong. Okay, the place, the family background, the profession, the last record, police record. So these all things comes into cyber stalking, but these all will be happened on online through the media of internet. Okay, next and important part is cyber harassment. Cyber harassment, continuously you are contacting to a person continuously, but the person is not giving you reply. So that is called cyber harassment. Or anyone can put you remark in the fraud case. They have to file case against you. So these things you have to remember when you are doing work online. Okay, till here any doubt you have, you may ask.